We've got a general thaw that's underway after, of course, the winter hammer got dropped over the weekend. We even capped it off with a bit of light snow yesterday, amounted to around 1/10 of an inch out of Bluegrass Airport. Some higher amounts, western Kentucky, southern Indiana, where they had a few tenths of an inch, upwards of an inch in some spots. But for us, it was more of a nuisance, kept the roads slick, and now we've got a very cloudy, dreary Monday morning, or Tuesday morning, I should say. And just the slightest chance we could have a few flurries around. The big picture shows the snow that is on the ground. The snowpack is impressive. Of course, it's heavy. Mountains in the upper Midwest, but this stretches all the way from Memphis through Tennessee, Missouri, Illinois. Everywhere you're looking, this whitish color is where you've got snow currently on the ground. So the next few days, we're going to do our best to start to get rid of this as we start to warm up and break out sunshine. Between the two, getting above freezing and seeing some sunshine, we're going to have some rapid melting, possibly some snow and ice falling. You'll have to watch out for that. And eventually continuing to dry out through the remainder of the week until we get hit with a rain chance this weekend. So the future track shows clouds breaking today. Good news. Wednesday, we should be in the clear with plenty of sunshine out there as opposed to the cloudy start we have today. And there isn't much coming until about Friday or so. And it's a precipitation chance that does not snow like we've seen the last couple of times. This is going to be straight up rain Friday into Saturday, which is an indication of how much warmer it's going to be as well. It's 29 in Frankfort, 28 in Danville and Somerset. There's a bit of a wind chill factor. Feels like it's in the low 20s from Williamsburg out into eastern Kentucky, 23 for Jackson. But we've got this midweek warm-up. So instead of this big trough dug in like it was over the weekend, that extreme cold air aloft, that's dug in out west. We've got some ridging aloft, which means we're going to start to warm up. The flow around that out of the south-southwest, which means the temperature starts to come up. And much of the east coast, southeastern United States should see well above normal temperatures that could persist into the upcoming weekend, from midweek into the weekend. And notice the warming trend. Everything's starting to thaw out and drip and fall, so watch out for that. The accumulated snow and a little bit of some icicles folks may have. Highs get up to around 60 and just kind of hover there the remainder of the week. So we're going to get warm, and then we're going to stay warm. Today, overcast in the morning and then mostly cloudy later on today. We'll shoot for around the mid to upper 30s in the Bluegrass. Our southern counties that see that cloud cover breaking earlier could edge into the low 40s, so slightly milder down there. Tonight, a cold night, but a quiet one. We only drop to the mid-20s and end up partly cloudy. Tomorrow, we've got temperatures in the upper 40s and loads of sunshine all the way through the day. So that's good stuff. And that's putting us pretty close to our normal high for this time of the year, which is in the mid-40s. By Thursday, we'll take another jump, get into the 50s, 59 degrees, so above normal, and then we'll hover right around that 60-degree mark. And of course, the fly in the ointment for the upcoming weekend is the chance that we have rain, likely showers starting Friday, getting really going Friday night into Saturday. So for New Year's Eve celebrations, there could be some wet weather hanging around. It does look like it may be tapering off by then, so fingers crossed late in the evening Saturday. It could be winding down. It's still too far out to say for certain. We're going to try to keep it dry for New Year's Day, Sunday, and then see that warmth hanging on still in the 50s and 60s with some additional rain chances into early next week.